Hey guys, what's up? This is Rahul from TechStop. So OnePlus as a brand had a pretty remarkable 2018, and riding on the success of the OnePlus 6 and the 6T, the company became the top smartphone maker in the premium segment in India. OnePlus will try to build on that success by making a solid smartphone for 2019. The OnePlus 7 thus becomes an important device for the company. A lot is yet to be discovered about the OnePlus 7, but we do have some information regarding the design OnePlus is going for with the 7 in the form of a leak from /leaks. So we have an image where we see two devices side by side covered with protective cases to prevent the design from leaking. On the right we have what appears to be the OnePlus 6T, whereas on the left we have something new, possibly the OnePlus 7. We can see that the device has no notch whatsoever, and neither can we see a front-facing camera. All we have on the front is the display along with what looks like to be the speaker grill on the top edge. On careful inspection, you can observe a bump over the left device which indicates the presence of some sort of a pop-up mechanism for the selfie camera. Now this may or may not be similar to Oppo's implementation on the Find 10, but given the cutout, it seems highly unlikely that it would be similar to Vivo's pop-up camera design. It is possible that this device will feature an improved in-display fingerprint sensor over the one seen on the 6T, along with a completely new camera setup that should improve image quality further. We are hearing rumors of a triple camera setup with 24 plus 8 plus 5 megapixels along with a 24 megapixels selfie camera. It should not come as a surprise that the smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 855 and come with up to 10 GB of RAM along with 256 GB of storage, given that the McLaren Edition 6T came with 10 gigs of RAM. On the battery front, we see a huge bump as OnePlus is expected to launch the phone with a 4150 mAh battery. What remains to be seen is if OnePlus indeed launches the OnePlus 7 with this pop-up camera design, how many people will be ready to buy it, given that all other sliding or pop-up phones were niche products launching in only select countries. Or there might be a chance that we are looking at the new 5G phone OnePlus is said to be working on that would cost $200 to $300 extra over the regular 4G phone. What's interesting is that the Snapdragon 855 is supposed to offer 5G, so how OnePlus will distinguish the OnePlus 7 from the 5G phone remains to be seen. What do you think about the design? Will you buy it if this is the OnePlus 7? Please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll keep you guys posted of any new information on the OnePlus 7. What do you think about this video? If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such videos coming your way. Till then, take care and bye bye.